This space up here at the top of the house was going to be my creative space. It started off with just a table with an interface on it and a computer, and then it sort of got bigger. I mean, this was meant to be a space where there's windows there, so there's a little area here which I would paint. That would be my painting area. And then round there's 18 years worth of tweed jacket purchasing and coats, so that there's a lot of good acoustic treatment down there, so amplifiers, etc. But the sort of audio side of it expanded a bit more. You get into speakers and then you get into buying odd things from eBay, like the sort of little Glen Sound desk up there and other preamps that you see and try out. And I'm a big experimenter of acoustic guitars, so there's quite a few acoustic guitars. But really, I haven't gone really crazy on audio gear, I don't think. I've made sure that I've got enough things to do whatever I need to do, to record things cleanly or to muddy things up, or enough channels to maybe I could, record a few people sitting around on acoustic instruments or whatever else, really. That's how sort of miraculous kind of recording is these days, is that you can just have a spare room and record something, and then it could be in the charts. What's great about this place is that I can get in here and be working before my brain has woken up. We all have habits, like I have a habit as soon as I pick up a guitar, but if I can wake up and get myself in a creative state of mind before the habits have started to clamp down on anything in my brain, then a few good things can sneak through, sneak under the thing that's closing, to stop it. So it's good that it's so close to where I wake up. Any kind of idea I have, I can be up here really quickly and recording it. Whereas if I had a space up the road or 3 miles away, that would be a bit trickier. So yeah, I've got ID22 here. Dead easy to use, easy to rig up, and can be used in conjunction, of course, with the ASP 800, which is part of a sort of a mobile rack I got together of bits and bobs, so I could easily record drums. I could just grab that, chuck it in the car and zoom down to a drum recording space, because obviously I can't do it here. So, I mean, that's incredibly handy. Very, very mobile. This thing goes in and out of my case whenever I leave London. This goes with me, because it's just dead easy. I have speakers set up wherever I'm going. I just get there and then plug them in the back, and then you're off. But having a place like this in your house, it sort of means that you can constantly write, really. And whatever you write and record, if you're going to make an album or a single or whatever, it's not that you're making crappy home demos that you're going to record properly in a studio. They can actually be part of the real thing. So those spontaneous ideas aren't ever wasted. They can stay there and sound as fresh and exciting as when they happened, whether they're accidental or whether you've really worked them out. That's what I like about recording, is these moments of inspiration, they just stay there, suspended, in a song forever.